Yeah. Yo, what's up guys? We're back with another video today, and today we're going to be putting the tires on the STI. These are the tires we picked up, guys. I got some Falkens Wildpeak AT Trails. Their size, what size are they? They're going to be size 215, 60, 17s. We're going to put them on the stock rims of the STI. These tires right here are supposed to be lighter than just your standard all-terrains, because they made these for like SUVs, like crossovers and stuff. So we went with these, and it should save some weight for the car. Before we put the tires on, we're going to go ahead and clean all these wheels up just to make them look a lot nicer, because they're pretty dusty from all the brake dust right there. So now we just start the montage of cleaning the wheels. Alright, ready? So we got these mounted. They look aggressive. Now time to put it on there. Alright guys, so we got these installed. Front tire, so it's pretty nice looking. I haven't turned the wheel or anything to see if it rubs on the inside, but we'll do that right now. Back tire, as you can see, it's pushed up towards the front still compared to the back end, but that's why I have the trailing arms, so I'll go ahead and adjust those later on just to get the gap right there pretty even. But dude, that thing sits way higher than what it used to sit. Nice. Alright guys, so that's the first step in getting my car more off-road ready. That's going to do it for today's video. Thank you again guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and then I'll see you in the next video.